Alright guys, before we get into the video, I just want to announce that I do have merch live on the website. So Connor G Media t-shirts and a crew neck is now live on the website. You can get them at connorgmedia.com. Here's the front, we got the little wheelie guy. We got Connor G Media. Then you have the back. This is a athletic fit, so it's not like gilded and crappy quality. You shouldn't shrink. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. So check them out on the website. Let's get into the video though. Whew, using a cat as a transition? Who the hell does that? Only the greatest filmmakers, am I right? So guys, we're out. Miles is presumably right over here. So we're gonna meet up with him, go out, just ride a little bit. Chilly as always, and there he is right there. What's up, what's up?
I need help.
What's with the chain?
Not the chain.
Ooh.
Somehow the bolt fell out and I just realized it.
I think we can both fit. Well guys, video's taking a bit of a turn because Miles is missing his bolt. We'll get him fixed up though. 2 razors in the elevator, no problem though. All right, quick pit stop guys, and we got the boy Miles fixed up. He's got his brakes back. Looks like they're working. His top bolt was loose and his bottom bolt was completely gone, so we got him set up with a new one. So now he's chilling and he's doing his seat standers like nothing happened, as if his brake caliper wasn't hanging off 5 seconds ago. That chain does sound a little funny though. We got to get that fixed up before Tampa.
I'm gonna get the chain up here by next week.
Yeah, do that for sure. All right, fine. You want to hand drag Miles? I'll hand drag that. Into the curb! Oh! Damn. Hand drag, woo! Circles all day, always.
Now guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up.
So guys, that is my merch. It's now live on the website again, connorgmedia.com. Feel free to cop a t-shirt or the crew neck just to support the channel. Literally all the proceeds will just help go to the channel to finance bikes and parts and everything and mega rides like the Tampa ones. So it's the first time I'm doing this. So I'm pretty happy with the quality. I got the sample today. It's not a Gildan shirt, so it won't shrink. It's not like crappy, uncomfortable cotton. It's like an actual athletic wear shirt, so it's like sweat wicking, I think. And if you see me in Tampa, keep an eye out for that t-shirt because I'll probably wear it every single day. So I'm easily identified, especially if I'm not on the razor and I'm on the new bike. So all right, we'll leave the lot for a little bit. Woo! It's a good test of the torque here. This gets hella steep. Spinning the tires, baby. That's why you need a welded freewheel. So much more fun. Hey, they know me. Yo! What's good? Oh, you're the one with the mini bike? What's good?
I see you on Instagram.
Oh, hell yeah. What's good?
How you doing, bro?
Good, good. What is this? Is this like a 212 Predator or whatever?
212.
So which one of you is not on a motorized? You're getting a good workout. These, how fast do these go?
That one like, I don't know, I'm top at 53. This one like 56.
That's pretty quick though. Well guys, we just found some gas mini bike homies to add to the pack. So now we outside. We're a little less inconspicuous now. I love it.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Bend that, boys. Me and my bros do road new keys, no deal. We bend that toys. Bend that toys. Me and my bros can ride on our toys and bend that. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid.
Woo, hand
now I
drag,
got
baby.
full of kids. Where I keep winning, you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my office legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip, but no, never trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the.
Alright, we gotta let y'all go.
Yeah, it's all good. DM me on Instagram. I can tag you in whatever I post.
Sam, bro.
Sam and Dash. All right, that's a dope name.
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah, that's a dope shot. Yeah, I'll hit you guys up on Instagram. I'll tag you in anything I get. You're the man. Hell yeah. I'm gonna leave you to the Tampa PD if you do this to me again. Hey bro, I mean it could be worse. This is round 2 of the tow. Electric bike problems. Electro and Co, you know. Perfect.
More money? Ain't got more.
Yeah, you pay a little more, don't have to worry about this. All right, the engineer, One Way Miles, has got his bike back up and running. 2 consecutive videos, Miles. Oh, just how perfect would that look?
I'll take one.
No, you don't have to put it on. I'm gonna put it on this pole over here. There he is. We're just riding around. Just ride with us. Woo! 150 sounds good. It's like the mini 450. We did the foot over. This kid is nice, man. Oh, the tune. Brap, 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 brap. Brap. Should we trials up? Yeah. Woo, look at that big old divot. Oh shit, did we lose Miles? He said his shit was lagging.
It gotta be the motor.
Your motor's done, bro. Yeah, Miles' motor is definitely done. I mean, it was bound to happen. Yeah, guys, well, I think we're gonna head back up Broad now because Miles' motor is not in good shape. He's getting tons of lag. He's barely putting along back there, so I imagine it can't be great. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty fun, bunch of random people we ran into, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got plenty of content to come. Don't forget to check out ConnorGmedia.com to get some of the merch, help support the channel. I will catch you next time, though. Peace.
Been at boys. Me and my bros do road new keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next.